Imagine waking up rejuvenated, your mind sharp and your body energized. No grogginess, no pillow battles, just the invigorating hum of a well-rested you. This isn't a dream, it's the scientific reality of optimal sleep, and we're about to unlock its secrets in just 2 minutes. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this slumber safari, where we'll leave sleepless nights behind and embrace the restorative power of a perfect night's rest. Forget expensive gadgets and questionable potions. We're armed with research-backed tips. Dim the digital demons. Blue light emitted from screens disrupts your circadian rhythm, telling your brain it's daytime when it's bedtime. Banish electronics at least an hour before sleep and let darkness become your ally. Craft your sleep sanctuary and transform your bedroom into a haven of tranquility. Cool temperatures, blackout curtains, minimal clutter create an environment that whispers rest to every fiber of your being. Think plush pillows, soft bedding, and an aroma diffuser for a touch of sensory magic. Tame the racing clock. Late-night workouts and caffeine binges are the archenemies of sleep. Avoid stimulants in the evening and opt for calming activities like gentle stretches, soothing music, or a warm bath. Remember, your body needs time to wind down before slumber strikes. Befriend your food clock. Dinner isn't the time for a marathon meal. Eating too close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep cycle. Aim for a light, early dinner and let your digestive system join the Sandman on its nightly journey. Quiet the inner chatterbox, worries swirling like a mental cyclone. Don't bottle them up. Write them down before bed, freeing your mind for sleep. A meditation practice or some light reading can also work wonders, replacing anxious thoughts with a sense of serenity. These are your scientific sleep tools. Use them consistently, and witness the transformation. No more counting sheep, no more tossing and turning, just a gentle descent into dreamland, followed by a dawn that greets you with a refreshed smile. You'll conquer your days with renewed energy and focus, proving that sleep isn't a luxury, it's a superpower. Thank you for joining us on this quest for optimal sleep. If you've made it this far, a well-deserved high five and a peaceful night's sleep are yours for the taking. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed wellness journeys and unlock the full potential of your mind and body. Together, let's make every night a reset, every morning a masterpiece. Sweet dreams.